गोंयभर रान वाठारांत जो उजो लागलो ताचे फाटल्यान लँड माफियांचो हात आसा. देखून जंय जंय उजो लागलो ते वाठार नो डेव्हलपमेंटल झोन म्हणून जाहीर करचे. विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमावान मागणी केल्या. विधानसभेच्या कामकाज सल्लोगार समितीच्या बसके उपरांत युरी उलयतालो. पळयात तांचे म्हणणे.
That has happened. Definitely we will raise this issue because I had made a request that these areas, because of afforestation, they should be declared as no NDZ because this is the need of the RN. Basically, why this has happened? Disaster Management Act, under that pretext, last time we had raised Berger company, paint company. When that episode had happened, basically this is a failure of this government with regards to this disaster management, and there are fire mafia also involved. I had asked the Honorable Chief Minister to investigate into this. Definitely we will take up these issues. Apart from that, there are several other reports also by ISRO declaring that both the districts as landslide affected. Also, there is a report which says that there is due to soil erosion, Amgeli coastline, 15.2 hectares basically we have lost due to this soil erosion. The unemployment are several of our members have put private members resolution. The unemployment rate that is happening today, the corruption that has been said by their own ministers that this corruption angle with regards to job in government agencies needs to be probed.